What is up, Ye fam? It's your boy AB, back in the building with another video. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. I've got Stella Car Girl in here with us, so she is gonna go ahead and proceed to open this box because actually I've already cut it and got it started, but we don't know what's in here, so we are both about to be surprised. So here we go.
Hi, I wonder what's in this box.
Oh man. What is that? Oh man.
That's pretty cool.
That's dope.
Oh wow.
Okay. So that, oh man, I didn't buy it, man. So, oh man, so they sent that to us.
Oh man,
you gonna open that up?
Yeah, that was neat.
That's nice. Hey, thanks, Our Daily Juice. Appreciate you.
Wow.
This is all
Amazing.
Oh, we got two of them? Sweet. Ooh. Okay.
Thank you.
Come here. Wow. That's oh, and that looks so good against the black too.
Look at it against my shirt.
Woo woo. Look at that. Oh, those shirts.
I'll wrap it back up in a minute.
Okay.
Okay.
Those shirts look fire. Go, what'd you say?
Okay, let's see how to open that one. I want to tear it.
I don't know if they're. No, go ahead. You want to? It's Ziploc. Ziploc.
Ooh, okay.
Gotta look around, girl. Look around. Look
Okay,
around.
okay.
Look around, car girl. So they're probably all the same
These
sizes.
What
are those? There's 2XL.
2XL.
Okay.
So we have 2XL. So we
Okay.
have a gray, look like a white.
Okay. So let's pull the. Yeah, go ahead and pull one out. Well, which one you gonna wear? You got a large, right?
I got a medium poster.
Medium. All right. So go medium, and then we'll pull that out, and then
Okay.
we get you to
I'm not gonna put
model it.
No,
Yes, you
no,
is,
I'm
girl.
not.
Yes,
No,
you
I'm
are.
not. They'll see on Saturday, Friday, or Saturday. What's this? This is extra large.
Okay. Cool.
Look at that.
Man, those colors are
This is
popping.
very nice. This is very, very nice. Thank you.
Man, Zay, I've been stealing your ooh wee, bro.
I'm gonna let you throw that back up.
That's cool. Yeah, I'm the one that worked at Eddie Bow and all the rest of them, so I know how to
And the
fold.
military trained him to
Whatever. Look through those. Flip it around. Good.
Oh, you.
Oh, my mule.
In Tabitha's voice.
Oh, my mule.
This is very nice. This is very nice quality.
It is. Very. Okay. All right. I see ya. That's nice. What it feel like? Yeah, it feels good too.
Good too.
It says heavy cotton, but it doesn't feel like that heavy, beefy cotton. Yeah, it's light. Okay.
Did a great job, sir.
All right. Well, Our Daily Juice, that is who sent that to us. So thank you very, very much. She puts that across there. Oh, that looks outstanding. Gray and white. Those are definitely top colors. Well, we'll look through and find all the sizes and make sure we've got everything. But other than that, as far as quality, it is very nice. So we are bringing those to Gap Fest. As you can see, somebody's got the bags packed ready. Whoop, whoop. Bags packed and ready. So I gotta finish getting my bags packed. But there we go. Appreciate you. Somebody's got something over my head. Whatever. All right. So look good. Amazing quality. I love it.
Thanks for the mask.
Yeah, very much so. Thank you for the mask. The masks are
The
amazing.
mask so nice.
Was not expecting that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Awesome. Well, y'all. Thank you. Appreciate you for tuning in. So as you can see, we've got pretty much a test run of merch from Our Daily Juice, a family that I met by way of all the guys that we met when we went to Dallas for YouTuber call-out. Yeah, we are all family, as she said. Thank you. Appreciate you. So we are going to get ready to rock these and bring these to Gap Fest. So be ready. We'll have a few. It's like I said, it's just a test run. Whatever we have, it's available, and we'll talk price and all that stuff a little later. But thank you, Our Daily Juice, for the masks, for the shirts. They look amazing. And we're looking forward to seeing you all.
Amazing. Thank you.
Awesome. We're looking forward to seeing you all at Gap Fest. So you all take care. Oh, excuse me.
Actually, the shirt's over.
Yeah, actually, I will say this. Here's a plug for Stella Car Girl. Go follow her too. At what you got? Stella Car Girl _ on Instagram, and then Stella Car Girl on YouTube. And yes, she's gonna be putting out a lot more content, especially after Gap Fest. So with that said, we'll talk more about all of that and get more merch lined up as we go. But we will see you all at Gap Fest this weekend. Hey, be safe on travels, and as always, go ahead. And as always, thank you to my servicemen and women that are serving, my fellow veterans, active duty members. Big salute. And you guys know what to do. What to do, babe?
Smash that like button and subscribe.
Ooh, better do it. Please do it. And as always, keep driving.